everyone, today we have this 55-inch Sony Bravia Smart LED TV. The problem is 6 times blinking, so let's try now. I turn on the TV. Okay. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so first of all we check voltage. 3.3 voltage is present output. This is for driver volt. Backlight volt is dropped ready. So the problem from the power supply. So, okay, we turn off the TV. So this is the driver IC. From here problem, so we try to put one jumper, and after jumper we check our TV is solved ready or no, and still the same problem 6 times. So after LED, okay. So let's turn on the TV. We check our okay. 3.3 volt. Now driver volt for backlight 185 volts. Okay, so now we check our TV still okay or not. So now our TV is ready. Problem was 6 times blinking. Thank you everyone, thanks for watching. Like and comment and subscribe our channel for new videos. Thank you everyone, thanks for watching.